welcome you back in the next video. So now I am starting question number 3 of exercise 3.5. So question number 3 is solve the pair of linear equation by substitution method, substitution and cross multiplication method. We have to find by both the method. So very first see, the equation are given 8x plus 5y equals to 9 and 3x plus 2y equals to 4. So substitution method, as you know, we will find, very first you will write by substitution method. Okay. So you will find the value of x from one of the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So value of x I'll find from second equation. From second equation we'll write from equation 2, what is the value of x? 4 minus 2y divided by 3. This is the value of x. Substituting the value in equation 1. 8 into 4 minus 3y divided by 3 plus 5y equals to 9. So here you will get, I am multiplying inside, 32 minus 8 here 24y whole divided by 3 plus 5y equals to 9. Now take the LCM divided by 1. So 5 3s are 15 whole divided by 3. 3 I am sending this side, 27. So this you got. Now we have to solve this. So what you will get, plus minus 24 minus 15, 9 minus 9y 32 equals to 27. 27 I am bringing this side, 9y I am bringing this side. So 9y equals to 32 minus 27. 5 equals to 9y. So y is equals to 5 upon 9. So you got y is equals to 5 upon 9. So this is your by substitution method. What you did? You did x is equals to 4 minus 2y divided by 3. You have substituted the value in this. 4 minus 3y divided by, 4 minus 2y. So here you corrected 4 minus 2y. So 8 to the 16y. So this will become 16y. This will be minus y. So this is y equals to 5. Okay. So you got the value y is equals to 5. Now what we'll get, substituting the value in one of the equation. So any one of the equation you substitute the value of y. This you know from previous. Y is equals to from equation 2. So I am writing from equation 2, 3x plus 2 into what is y? 5 equals to 4. So 3x equals to 10 plus 10 equals to 4. So 3x equals to minus 6, x is equals to minus 2. So you will get value of minus 2 and y is equals to 5. So these two values you are getting from substitution method. Okay. Now the main thing we are doing, cross multiplication method. Okay. This cross substitution method from previously you were knowing. So, but we did because you have to do it. Now by cross multiplication method. So for cross multiplication method, by cross multiplication method. First write value of a1 8, a2 3, b1 5, b2 2, c1 minus 9. We'll bring this side, c2 minus 4. Okay. So therefore x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1. 5 into minus 4. So I am writing 5 into minus 4 minus 2 into minus 9 equals to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 minus 9 into 3 minus 4 into 8 equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. 8 to the 16 minus 5 3 is 15. So you will get x upon 5 4 is 20 minus 9 to the 18 equals to y upon minus 27 plus 32 equals to 1 upon 1. So from here x upon minus 2 equals to y upon 5 equals to 1. Comparing these two, so x upon minus 2 equals to 1, which shows x is equals to minus 2. and these two will compare, so we'll get y upon 5 is equals to 1, which shows y equals to 5. So x is equals to minus 2 and 5. So we got in substitution method one, and here we got by cross multiplication method. So answer will come same. Okay. Now question number 4 onwards, again in each exercise, as your word problems are there, same way these are the word problems. Okay. So you have to do that. We are starting from question number 4, first part. Okay, what is question number 4? Form a pair of linear equation in the following problem and find their solution if exists by algebraic method. Any algebraic method means you can use substitution method, you can use elimination, or you can use cross multiplication. Let us see the first one. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. Okay, so कुछ hostel charges mess में fixed हैं, जैसे fixed charges x होते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हमें charges पड़ते हैं per day के, ठीक है? Has taken food in mess. When a student take food for 20 days, he has to pay 1000 rupees, and B takes it for 26 days, he has to pay this much. Find the fixed charges and the cost for food per day. So we'll write let the fixed charges is equals to x and the charges for food taken per day is equals to y. Okay. So now according to question, I am reading the question. When a student A take food for 20 days, 20 days के लिए खाना ले रहा है, तो she has to pay 1000 rupees. तो x charges तो fix है, चाहे आप खाओ या नहीं खाओ. 20 days means एक दिन के y है, तो 20 days के 20y हो गए, तो कितने charges पड़ने हैं हमें? 1000 rupees. This is first equation. And for B students कितना है? For 26 days she is taking, तो fixed charges plus 26 days into y. तो कितने charges पड़ रहे हैं? 1180 hostel charges. Equation number 2. Find the charges, fixed charges and the charges of cost per day. So whichever method you want, you can do by the hook. Let us do by cross multiplication only. Okay. So x upon, you will write for the formula. A value of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 properly. Then you will do. Okay. X upon 20 into this. Okay. 20 into minus 1180 minus 26 into minus 1000 equals to y upon 1000 into 1 minus this into this equals to 1 upon this into this 26 minus 20. Okay, so you will get B1 C2 minus B2. Okay, so minus, you will get 0 and one more 0, 8 to the 16, carry over 1, 2 1 the 2, 1 3, 2 1 the 2, plus 26,000, this is x upon, equals to y upon 180 minus ka equals to 1 upon 6. Okay, so you will get from here x upon 26,000, 23,000, इसमें से minus कर दो 23,600, so you will get 10 minus 4, 10 minus 6, so 5 minus 3, 2. Y upon minus 180 equals to 1 upon 6. Okay. So this you got. This will become positive. Okay. And this is 1000 B B2 C1 B2 C1 A2 minus this into this. So this will also become plus because this is negative. Okay, so we have got this. So what we'll get comparing these two? So x upon 2400 equals to 1 upon 6, which shows x is equals to 2400 divided by 6. 6 4s are 24, 400. So you got the value of x is equals to 400. And then we will compare these two. Y upon 180 equals to 1 upon 6, which shows y is equals to 180 divided by 6, which shows y is equals to 30. So therefore what we'll have, therefore x, the fixed charges are rupees 400 and the charges per days are rupees 30. This is your answer. Okay, so now come to the second part of the equation of the question. So the second part is the questions are little lengthy, it is taking time. Okay, but you can do by any of the method. If you don't want to do by cross multiplication method, you can do by any method. This I told you before also. Second, a fraction becomes 1 upon 3. So I am saying let the fraction equals to x upon y. A fraction becomes 1 upon 3. ये 1 upon 3 हो जाता है when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 upon 4. And second condition है it becomes 1 upon 4 when it becomes 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. When 8 is added to the, find the fraction. So we have to find first two equation from these two. Cross multiply. So 3x minus 3 equals to y, which shows 3x minus y is equals to 3, equation number 1. And from here 4x is equals to y plus 8, which is 4x minus y equals to 8, equation number 2. So you can solve it by any other method. So now I can solve it by elimination method. So 3x minus y equals to 3, 4x minus y is equals to 8, plus minus minus, cancel out, minus x is equals to 5 minus 5, which shows x is equals to 5. Okay, substituting the value in any one of the equation, what you will get? किसमें रखें? Same in this or in this, x is equals to 5. So substituting in equation 1 only. Okay, 3 into 5 minus y equals to 3, 15 minus y equals to 3. So y is equals to 15 minus 3, 12. So we got the value of x is 5 and y is 5. So therefore the fraction is 5 upon 12. So this is our second part. Okay, come to third part. Now I am just telling you only equations, and solution you have to do yourself. Okay, you have to solve the equation yourself, and two equation I'll form for you. Third part is Yash scored 40 marks in a test for getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Okay, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted from each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Okay, so I am saying there are right answer and wrong answers. Okay, so let the number of right answers is x and the number of wrong answers is y. क्योंकि what we have to ask you, how many total number of questions are there. तो what you will do, x plus y को ऐड कर देंगे, right answer और wrong answer दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, total number of question we will get. Okay, so now what is given to it according to question. Now I am reading the question. Yash scored 40 marks in a test. Okay. For getting 3 marks for each right answers. तो right answers 3 marks और मान लो x है right answers तो 3 into x plus L losing 1 marks for wrong answer तो -1 मिले wrong answers के and how many wrong answers there y तो total marks is 40 तो what will get 3x minus y is equals to 40 equation 1 and the second condition is given to you had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer अगर हर correct answer के 4 मार्क्स दिए जाते हैं इसका मतलब 4 मार्क्स करेक्ट आंसर के तो टोटल करेक्ट आंसर के मार्क्स कितने हो जाते 4 into x प्लस एंड 2 मार्क्स बीन डिडक्टेड फॉर इनकरेक्ट आंसर 2 मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो जाते -2 हो जाते इनकरेक्ट आंसर के तो इनकरेक्ट आंसर है y ठीक है सो यश वुड हैव स्कोर्ड 50 मार्क्स तो यश के 50 मार्क्स आ जाते हैं ओके सो 4x minus 2y equals to 50. Equation number 2. So we got equation 1 3x minus y is equals to 40 and 4x minus 2y equals to 50. So we got these two equations. Okay. So you have to find how many correct answer and incorrect answer. So some value you will get for x and some value you will get for y. If you add x and y the answer will come 20. Okay. So this I am leaving to you on you. That solution of this you will do with your own. Okay, solve it with your own by cross multiplication method or by any of the method. Okay, now come to fourth part. This I am telling you how to make a equation. Okay, and you are from starting you are doing how to solve it, so please solve it. Okay, fourth part is places A and B are 100 km apart. A place is there and B place is there. The distance between them is 100 km. ठीक है तो places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car start from A तो एक कार A से start होती है and another from B at the same time पर B से start होती है at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction अगर कार एक ही direction में travel करे और different speed से let the speed of this is u km/h and this is v km/h. Okay, तो different speed से travel कर रही है. They meet in 5 hours. तो ये 5 hours 5 घंटे में एक दूसरे से मिल जाते हैं तो definitely कि the car which will start from here कुछ आगे तक चली जाएगी. Let they will meet here. ठीक है तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक C point पे meet कर रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब from here to here A goes it takes 5 hours and B भी यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने में कितने hours लेती है 5 hours. They meet in 5 hours. This is condition 1 is given to us. Okay. They meet in 5 hours. And now what is if they travels towards each other. Second condition दी है कि अगर ये एक दूसरे की तरफ को आए. A comes from here to here and B will comes from here to here. So distance between these two again is 100 km. Okay. They travel towards each other. They meet in 1 hour. तो मान लो ये यहाँ पर मिलते हैं. So they meet in 1 hour. तो इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक आने में 1 hour लग रहे हैं. From here to here this car comes in 1 hour. ठीक है तो एक दूसरे का आने में 1 hour it takes. What are the speeds of two car? Okay, दोनों कार की स्पीड निकालनी है. Let the speed of this car is u km/h and this is v km/h. बात एक ही है. Here also u and v. Okay, so see. Focus that we are given the distance between the two places is 100 km. Okay. In first condition, what you will do? First condition. What is the distance traveled by first car? Distance traveled by first car. What is the speed is equals to distance upon time. So distance is equals to speed into time. What is the speed of first car? U. And what time? How much time it takes? 5 hours. So 5u. Okay. तो 5u हो जाएगी distance traveled by the first car. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक की distance है कितनी? 5u. And distance traveled by second car. What is distance traveled by second car? Speed into time. So speed of second car is v and time is it is taking 5 hours. So 5v. Okay. तो यहाँ से डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय फर्स्ट कार यहाँ से यहाँ तक, डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय सेकेंड कार यहाँ से यहाँ तक। अगर यहाँ से यहाँ तक मैं इतनी डिस्टेंस माइनस कर दूँ तो कितनी बचेगी, 100 किलोमीटर। इसका मतलब फर्स्ट डिस्टेंस में से सेकेंड डिस्टेंस माइनस कर दूँ तो 100 किलोमीटर बचा ना। सो देयरफॉर स्पीड ऑफ फर्स्ट कार, डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय फर्स्ट कार माइनस डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय सेकेंड कार, कितना बचेगा, 100 होगा। Divided by 5, u minus v is equals to 20. This will be equation 1 for the first condition. Okay, revise it again. You want to see that. Now the second condition is given to us कि they are traveling towards each other. फिर वही करेंगे, distance travel by this car निकालेंगे तो कितनी आ जाएगी, कुछ distance आएगी इसकी। सेम है distance travel by this car यहाँ से यहाँ तक, अगर इसकी distance और इसकी distance को ऐड करेंगे तो 100 किलोमीटर आना चाहिए। So I am taking in second condition. Okay, what you will write? Distance traveled by first car. What is distance traveled by first car? Speed into time. अब time यहाँ पर 1 आ रहा है तो 1 into speed है u, तो u हो जाएगी। Same way distance traveled by second car, speed into time. Speed v है, the time is 1, so 1 into v. आप दोनों के डिस्टेंस को ऐड करेंगे तो 100 होगा। सो देयरफॉर u plus v is equals to 100. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. सो वी गॉट टू इक्वेशन, u minus v is equals to 20 and u plus v is equals to 100. Solve these two equations, you will get the value of speed. So it will come, speed of this u will come 60 km per hour and v will come 40 km per hour. Okay, this value of these will come this. So solution I am leaving on u. Okay, so let us move to last part, fifth part. This question was important. Okay, so please do it, and solution of equation you can do easily. Only problems comes in forming the equations. Okay, that I told you. Both the cases you will find the distance traveled. Now the fifth part is the area of rectangle get reduced by 9 square unit. अब area of rectangle है, ठीक है, मान लो लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ होती है, तो पहले हम let the area of rectangle लिख लेते हैं, ठीक है। Let the area of rectangle is x into y, length into breadth. Okay, this is the area of rectangle. Now according to question, the area of rectangle get reduced by 9, okay. If the length is reduced by 5 unit, and breadth is increased by 3 unit, ठीक है। तो अगर 5 यूनिट ये कम कर दें और ये 3 यूनिट बढ़ा दें तो हमारा एरिया 9 यूनिट रिड्यूस हो जाता है। दैट मीन्स अब इसका एरिया कितना हो जाएगा, x माइनस 5 इंटू वाई प्लस 3, तो जो एरिया है वो 9 कम हो जाएगा। ओके, सो फाइंड दिस एक्स वाई माइनस 9 इज इक्वल्स टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई एक्स वाई प्लस 3x माइनस 5y minus 15, x by 2 xy cancel out, so 3x minus 5 by 15 you send this side equals to plus 15, 6, equation number 1. Okay, first condition, ठीक है। And now the second condition is given to you, if we increase the length by 3 unit, अगर लेंथ को हम 3 यूनिट बढ़ा देते हैं, ठीक है, तो x plus 3 कर देते हैं। if we increase the length by 3 unit and breadth by 2 unit, and breadth also we increased by 2 unit. Okay, if we increase the length by 3 unit and breadth by 2 unit, the area increased by 67. तो जो second case है, the area increased by 67, तो if will increase the length by this and breadth by this. अगर लेंथ और ब्रेथ ये कर दे, इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, एरिया 67 ज़्यादा हो जाता है पहले से। ओके, सो पहले एरिया इतना था, उससे 67 ज़्यादा हो गया, तो इसको सॉल्व करो। एक्स वाई प्लस 67 इक्वल्स टू एक्स वाई प्लस 2x प्लस 3y प्लस 6. सो एक्स वाई टू एक्स वाई कैंसिल आउट, 2x प्लस 3y, 6 send this side, 61, equation number 2. So this is your first equation, this is your second equation. Now solve yourself, and the value of x will come 17 and the value of y will come 9. So please solve it yourself, and this how the equation will form, I told you. Okay, so then we'll find the length is 17 and the breadth is 9. So find the length and breadth, find the dimension of the rectangle. The dimension of rectangle are these. Okay, so that's all for this exercise. Keep watching the video. We will do the next exercise in next video. Till then, keep on practicing. Do practice. Do all the examples. And thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.